Hello,
Hi.
Nicola. Are you ready?
Yes, just let me share the screen. Hi, I am Nicola from the White Lemur Company, and I'm here to talk a little bit about our project Soma. While we're currently in a global health crisis, it's easy to forget that we were in a crisis before, several of them: plastic pollution crisis, environmental crisis, and this corona crisis has only worsened the previous one. And microplastics has now been found in all samples of drinking water and all samples of human tissue. The health implications of microplastics in our bodies are not yet fully known. One of the main sources of microplastics is actually polystyrene, expanded polystyrene or styrofoam, which does not recycle, so it's not recycled, and it ends up in landfills and in our water. These problems have been apparent for a long time, and they have spurred on regulatory actions from different regulatory bodies, which are limiting and forbidding the use of single-use plastic packaging, and a whole population and demographic of consumers who are asking for biodegradable packaging solutions and preferring them over classic solutions, which has given rise to businesses actively seeking an alternative for plastic packaging. Soma was born as an idea after a few years of working with some of the biggest brands in the world, designing specifically biodegradable and ecological solutions for different kinds of promotions and packaging. And Project Soma was born 2 years ago when some of our clients at the time expressed the need for an ecological and green material which was similar in technological specification to styrofoam. So our lab has, in 2 years, created a new material, a new biotic material, which we call biosporin. Biosporin is a biodegradable substitute for polystyrene, and it has all the technical characteristics of polystyrene, while at the same time being completely biodegradable and flame resistant. It is grown, the material is grown, and the products from it are grown and not produced in a classical sense. There is no waste and no wastewater in the production process. As the starting resource, we use agricultural waste, and the production is 98%, consumes 98% less energy than the production of the equivalent volume of polystyrene. Also, it completely biodegrades into organic fertilizer, which was just recently confirmed by the Faculty of Agriculture after a study on our material. We plan to offer this new material to the market in a non-disruptive way, in as least disruptive way as possible. So we plan to offer businesses the opportunity to seamlessly transfer to our packaging from standard styrofoam packaging through designing, prototyping, and mass producing packaging units for them. Some of the bigger world companies have already started moving in this direction, and we are already working with 4 companies at the moment who are field testing our products in a paid pilot. The market indicators are clearly positive, with the biggest growth being expected in Europe, and at the intersection of the biodegradable packaging market and styrofoam markets. We have also been recognized as champions of the SDG 12 for the UN Sustainable Development Plan, and we are also basing our entire business strategy around these SDGs. Our competitors who develop similar solutions, no identical solution exists on the market to ours, because the specific way we produce the biomaterial is from a specific mushroom that only our laboratory produces, but others produce similar materials from other types of mushrooms and waste, but they focus on premium uses which are more expensive. We propose a cheaper and more economic solution which should permeate the market better. We have already been recognized by a few awards and grants for technological development and innovative technology development. Our revenue streams 1 and 2 of production and sales, development and design are already active now, and we plan to license production process and machines in the future when our patent is finished for this technology. We are actively looking for industry partners and clients, partners in regulatory bodies who can help us navigate through certifying our material for different uses, and the strategic investors who are in the packaging industry. Do I have time left?
15 seconds.
Okay, I wanted to play a quick video demonstration, and you can tell me when the time is up. As you can see, the material is
well, we have now like 5 seconds. So.
Okay, never mind. Shock absorbent.
Okay.
Again, we can see the non-flammable.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Nicholas, so much. Time's up. Yeah, thank you. Judges, if you have any questions, it's time.
How much investment you are actually searching for
we're
project?
not actually looking for cash investments right now. We plan an investment round in about a year when we are ready to scale up the technology. We are looking for strategic investors in the sense of someone who is already in the packaging industry, who can co-pilot the commercialization process.
Okay, if there's no other questions.